Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Renaissance Marie Austin here. Um, I am really experimenting in this video. But don't worry, the end result came out fantastic. So Saturday, I went over to my brother's house to make some walnut milk, and then I made like some blueberry walnut milk that came out really cool. He has this fancy machine that does nut milks and juices in like 5 minutes. It's really amazing, like perfect. So I wanted to keep the pulp, which I did, and as I like set the pulp in the fridge, and for a couple of days I was really just thinking like, I have this idea to use the pulp and make like this pancake type thing that made me think about like the Japanese pancakes, but it's not quite the same, and it's not quite like a morning pancake where it's sort of sweet, but it's like a just a basic pancake type thing where I use chickpea flour. I used the walnut and blueberry pulp. I threw in some applesauce. I put in one bottle of pink lady apple kombucha and some other spices like onion powder, some nutritional yeast, and I even threw a little bit of spinach in there and some sea salt, of course. And I think I put a little bit of olive oil in there. I can't remember. But, and then of course, water. So, um, the pancake came out good. I realized that I had to put the flame down a little bit low so that it can take more time to cook, because it wasn't like a thing where you cook it fast, like how pancakes you can like flip and flip and flip, and the pancakes cook pretty fast. Um, but I made a whole stack of them, and you will see in the video. Then today, well, I will say I tested it out the day of with maple syrup, and that was good. And then I kept thinking though that I wanted a sauce, maybe something that was already pre-made. So I actually just came back from the store and I think, you know, I got all of my taste buds together and ended up getting like a verde tomatillo salsa that has like a nice kick to it. And I knew that if I added the maple syrup to that, then that would give me sort of um like a tangy, sweet, spicy sauce that I can put over it. And then I saw sauerkraut and I was like, the sauerkraut on top, the sauce, and then you would have to taste the pancake to see how all the flavors come together. And they really did. So I'm very happy with this experiment. Um, and I mean, for people who are not gluten free and dairy free, you can even do this with your own pancake mix, because you can always add tons of other stuff into your pancake mix, like shredded carrots, raisins. I don't really eat raisins anymore, but shredded carrots. I'm just going off some of the things that I've had in the past at like a Japanese spot where we cook our little pancakes on the griddle that they provide, or like the vegan German place where I had these fritters that was just like these deep fried fritters that just had like shredded apple, shredded carrot, and I think like leek, um, and just some other stuff together, sunflower seeds, like combined together in a food processor and just like used together with a binder and just deep fried. Oh my gosh, so good with a great sauce. So I'm very happy with this. Let me show you what I did. Let's head to the kitchen. And if you try this at home, let me know how it came out. If there's some things you would change or tweak, you know. So, okay, let's do this. So I'm starting with some walnut pulp, mostly, and a little bit of blueberry pulp that I had left over from when I went to my brother's house to make walnut milk.
So that's how you make milk?
So then when it fills up,
Wait, you need to wait till it's all gone and all filled up. Are you gonna add more?
yeah, I'm gonna make some more. I'm just waiting, watching the pulp and see how much of the rest of the pulp is coming out. Still going a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
I wonder if you can make sunflower in that.
Yeah, you put a gang of sunflower seeds in there. Came out very good. I'm gonna add a little bit of applesauce. Hey you guys, it's me Rin. I'm actually cutting into this video because it's like days later since I made these pancakes. And turns out they actually taste like a big giant meat patty. I think I'm onto something. I've been talking to my brother about this like every day. So I'm gonna have to do a part two to this video and tweak this recipe a little bit more. It started off experimental anyway, but let me show you. Seriously, it really turned out, as far as the consistency, it literally looks like a ground meat patty and kind of tastes like it too. Okay, so part two is coming. I'm excited about this. Okay, see ya.